Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, man? It is Monday, and it's your boy Derrick Casey coming to you live from Dallas, Texas, and I am currently on my lunch break. I am back working from home. Spent the last few weeks at the office training some new employees, getting them ready to hit these phones, and now I'm back in mi casa to come here and talk to you guys today. And today, I want you guys to hang tight with me, man. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible, as informative as possible, and jam packed with value because this is something that you need to pay attention to. Because, man, Derrick is not going to come up here and try to just give you some information that's not going to make you think and shift your mindset in some way, shape, or form. All right. So, hang tight. If you're getting on board, make sure to holler at me, man. Put the comments down. Tell me, hey, how you doing? So I can shout you out. For any of my replayers that watch this on the replay, whether you're on Facebook, whether you're on my YouTube, man, just show some love. And if you're on my YouTube, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I got some great information that's coming, some great value. So make sure you get it. And anybody that ever want to connect with me on a more personal level or ask some questions, my number's right. Oh, let me get my right hand up. Bing! My number's right here, okay? Right at the top. 214-493-3081. Just get at your boy. Send me a text message. Now, I do work during the day, so if I don't get right back to you, don't get upset. Don't get upset with me. I will make sure to get back with you when I get some free time. So, we're just going to let Facebook do its thing. Let me go over and invite some people as well. Some people, tag some people into this. So, bear with me one moment. And then we're going to dive into this because I think y'all going to like this topic today. So bear with me one moment. My phone is ringing right now, but you know what? I'm on lunch. So they're going to have to hold off. Going to have to hold off. Hold up. Hold your horses. Shell. All right. There we go. So we in the mix. We are in the mix. All right, cool. So we gonna dive into it, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys been seeing me share this excitement about this amazing opportunity. And a lot of times people see things online and they get a little nervous that they don't know if it's real or whatever the case. Well, last night we did an amazing Zoom call full of people just sharing their testimonies, like really just coming out and just laying it out what this opportunity has done for them and their family. And it just fired me up, man. Like I was so like, man, like my excitement was just like bursting out of my damn chest. It was crazy with the stories that I heard and the lives that have been impacted by this very opportunity I'm gonna share with you guys. Okay, but here's my question, guys. For so long, so many people have been looking for answers. You've been struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, battling with bad credit. I mean, you've been dealing with all of these things, right? You've been buried under debt. You don't have any money together to like start preparing for your future financially, right? A lot of people in America are dealing with these things. I mean, look at our economy right now, guys, and the pandemic and everything that's going on. So many people without jobs, so many people on unemployment, not knowing if they're going to have a job to go back to. So people are looking for answers. What do I do next? Okay. And a lot of times when I see people that come on board, guys, I see a lot of people that the one thing that they really want to focus on is like one area of their financial situation, and that's credit. A lot of people just want to focus on credit. I know because I was one of them. Because we think that just by fixing our credit alone, that's the answer to all of our problems. And I am here to tell you guys that it is absolutely not the case, because there are other areas in your financial situation that you need to be aware of and that you need to take care of. And I see so many people that go out chasing after a quick fix just for their credit, and then all of a sudden they hit another wall, their credit scores taking nosedives, and they're back in the same place that they were at from the beginning. Okay. And I know this for a fact because I happen to be watching, I get all of these ads that come up on my Facebook news feed, right? And one of these credit ads came up. Now, I'm not saying credit repair does not work. I'm not saying these companies don't work, but just follow me on this. So this guy came up and the ad was, hey man, tell them how we helped you with your credit. He's like, oh man, y'all really helped me out. Man, I'm so excited, man. When I came in, my credit score was in the 500s and now I'm over 750. I'm ready to rock and roll. Man, I can go out here and get the new Maserati and get the new house and all of these things, right? So already he had just got his credit fixed. This now I don't know about y'all, but when I listen at the messaging, I'm always looking at different things. Like I'm like, all right, what's the message? What's wrong with this message? Here's what's wrong with that message, guys. Here's what's wrong. He said my score was at 500. It's at 750. That's not the problem. The problem is the mindset of the guy that got the 750 credit now, because now all he thinking about is going out and financing some things, right? Financing a new Maserati, getting a new car, all of these things. This is the mindset that most people have when it comes to their credit. So when they get good credit, they go out and finance a lifestyle that they truly can't afford. They go out and they finance a lifestyle they truly can't afford. So just imagine this guy in this pandemic got his 750 credit score. He feeling good. He went and got that Maserati, right? He cruising down, and now this pandemic hits, and now his job is lost, and now that income can't afford that Maserati. So now he just created a whole new problem because now the credit got him what he wanted, but he didn't have the income to just pretty much take care of those things. And now look at him. So now when the pandemic hits, no money coming in, he got this expensive Maserati because he could go out and finance it now. And now he has done what? Created more debt. That now once everything ends, he's going to have to fight to get out of that debt. So that really opened my eyes. And this is what I want to ask you guys. Here's my question. Why would you spend more money to fix only one issue with your financial situation when you could spend less money to fix all areas of your financial situation with a team of licensed experts that would do all the work? I want y'all to read that question and I want you to ask yourself that, okay? I want you to ask yourself that because here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. We all look for good deals, right? When you go shopping, you're not going to go out and spend your money on the most expensive thing if you can go somewhere else and get a better price on it. If you want to get a new cell phone, we all have these, right? And you go one place and they charging this, but then you found out that, man, you could get this same phone. They giving you $100 rebate. They doing all of that. You're going to go where the better deal is at, right? You want the best bang for your buck, right? That's what you are looking for. Okay. So I'm trying to help you guys understand that when you are out here and I talk, and the reason why I'm talking about this because I talk to so many people, right, who have fallen in this trap. I was just talking to a young lady about a few days ago that was really talking about this. And she said, hey, she was like, this is amazing. She was like, because I've spent over $1,000 trying to fix my credit to get very little results. But with this membership, I spent far less money and I seen results faster than I've ever received in my entire time trying to fix my situation. That is mind blowing. So when she spent all of that money to fix one situation, she lost out. But then she spent far less money with a team of experts that do all the work for them and their spouses, and she was able to see results in a faster time. So what I'm trying to get you guys to understand is before you start running out here looking for a quick fix and trying to get your credit all fixed up so you can go out here and finance a lifestyle that you can't afford right now, I would encourage you guys to take some time, get with us, and look at the information that we have before you make your decision. I'm not here to force you and tell you what to do, but I'm trying to lead you in a direction that may be a better choice than you spending all of this money just to fix one area of your financial situation when you can spend less money and get everything covered with a team of experts that's fighting for you. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to share my screen real quick because I'm going to dive into it. I'm just going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about because I want you guys to see it. I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through it because we got presentations all throughout the week. So if you want an in-depth look at what we offer and how we're helping people, guys, all you got to do is drop a comment. Drop a comment. Say, hey, I want to learn more. Okay? Because at the end of the day, guys, this may or may not be for you. I'm not for sure, but I know for a fact that everyone can definitely use this. And I put the information in front of people so you can see it for yourself. Because here's the thing. If I put the information in front of you, and you see it and you decide not to, and then you go out there chasing after a quick fix and you lose your money, then I don't have to feel as bad. But if I see you do that and you didn't know that this existed, then that's on me because my job is to expose and share this information with people because so many people out here struggling. So follow me on this, all right? So here we go. I'm going to go on over here, do my thing real quick. So as you know, guys, MWR Financial, we ain't got to hide the name. We ain't got to tell no secrets and send no subliminals. I'm going to be straight to the point, okay? Because now you get your own personal team of financial experts that do all the work for you. And on top of that, they're educating you along the way. So how nice is it to be able to have a team of experts that help you in all of these areas that I'm about to show you, but also educating you? Listen, our educational systems ain't teaching our kids this. We are not, you know what I'm saying? Like, we've never been taught these principles. We never had exposure to a team of licensed experts to work on our behalf. So maybe this don't make sense to you right now, but pay attention, okay? Because your credit is not the only thing that's holding you back financially. It's not. A lot of times the credit portion is getting people in trouble because they haven't been educated how to leverage their credit to become wealthy. But when you think about it, guys, there's a phrase that we use and it's called income shifting. And we don't just focus on fixing the problem, but we want to set you up so that way you never have to fall back into the old habits that got you in the same situations. Okay, income shifting is helping you to shift the income that's coming out of your home from the government, the banks, and big business. We're going out there to show you how to get that money back so you can do more with the money that you're working with right now. So let me show you what I'm talking about, man. I know I'm fired up. I don't mean to scare nobody, but we got 4 pillars to our membership, guys. Money Max, Credit Max, Equity Max, and Wealth Max. Let me just go through these real quick. And you know what? I'm going to blow these up, but I want y'all to see it. I want to put it in your face. Put it right there in your face so you can see it. Bam, right there. So you can't say you ain't see nothing, right? So here it is, guys. Money Max, tax reduction strategies. It says taxes are our biggest expense for most Americans. Most people don't realize that, right? But by following our strategies outlined in the Money Max member access area, our Money Max experts, get used to that word because you have a team of experts that's rocking with you, right? So you get a team of experts that will help you to stop overpaying in taxes and recoup any overpayments and provide you with everything you need to pay even less in taxes. Okay, so if it's our biggest expense, especially for W-2 workers, you're giving almost 37% of your hard-earned money to the government, and you got a team of experts telling you they're going to help you to recoup some of them dollars and stop overpaying the government and put that back in your check. So right there, that is step number 1. Get your money back from the government. Get your money. Come on, get your money dance on, man. See, for so many years, you ain't think you could go get your money back. But we show you how to legally, ethically, and morally get your money back from the government, your hard-earned money, because the last time I checked, you was the one that was working them 40, 50 hours a week. Y'all see me with my headset. I'm still working my job from home. So I still work. When they told me I could get my money back from the government and put it on my check, I was all in. And so should you. All right, so that's step number 1. So experts going to help you to stop overpaying in taxes and put that money back in your regular paycheck. All right, now we go to Credit Max. Credit credit max is our credit restoration strategies, which is the one thing that most people want to spend all of this money for. Forget everything else that is a problem in their financial situation. They only want to focus on getting their credit scores up so they can go finance a lifestyle that they can't afford. Well, here's the thing, guys. Your credit scores affect almost every area of your financial life, including your interest rates, down payments, insurance premiums, and even your ability to obtain certain types of employment. So by following the strategies outlined in the Credit Max member area, our Credit Max experts, get used to that word, once again, will do everything legally possible to help you get your credit scores back in the best shape possible, which is going to do what? Help you to shift the interest payments and premiums back to you from the banks and big business. So as the credit scores are going up, your interest rates and insurance premiums are coming down. So you have the experts that are doing all the work for you while educating you on how to maintain it. Okay. That's all part of this membership, and your spouse is included. All right. So let me go on down. I told you I wasn't going to take too long because we got a presentation that's going to break this all the way down. Okay. So Equity Max is our debt elimination experts. The crazy thing about this, guys, is that debt is one of the hardest financial challenges for every American to overcome. It is also extremely detrimental to your financial success. Why? Because as long as you're paying interest, that money you can't save or invest or pay yourself. But by following our strategies outlined in the Equity Max member area, our Equity Max system can help you to reduce your recurring monthly bills. So they're going to help you reduce your monthly bills up to 40 to 50%. And we got a team of experts that's going to help you to eliminate all of your debt in record time. Once again, the experts do all the work. So we're not sitting you in front of videos telling you how to do it. Take some good notes. Make sure that you're being consistent and following up. We're not telling you none of that because our team of experts are there to take on your financial burdens. So now when they are over here helping you to eliminate debt in record time, save you thousands on interest, and now we have a team of experts to go out and negotiate your monthly bills so they can cut those bills down up to 40 to 50%. Guess where that money is going? You're shifting that money back into your household to help increase your cash flow, guys. I mean, it gets no better than this. And then now, let me tell you why this works together. Why just fixing one part of your financial situation is okay, but you definitely want to be focused on the other areas. Let me show you why. Because when you reduce the amount of taxes taken out of your check, right, and you can put that money back into your check, guess where that money's going? It's shifted back into your household. When you go to Credit Max, and our experts help you to increase those credit scores so the interest rates and insurance premiums can come down, guess where that money is going that you're saving on that now? Shift it back into your household. Then when you come down, and we got our experts is going to help you to eliminate your debt in record time, saving you thousands of dollars on interest. And also a team of experts is going to help to shred your bills and save you more money on your monthly bills. Guess where that money is going? It's shifted back into your household. It's helping you to increase your cash flow with the money that you are already making. Okay, what you're already making. And then on top of that, when you do that, guys, it gets you ready for the experts that want to show you the best ways to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss, right? So it tells you right here that now that you've increased your cash flow, it's time to get your money making even more money for you. By following the strategies outlined in the Wealth Max member access area, our Wealth Max experts will help you design the right wealth plan to achieve your financial goals. Set up your private reserve account so you can become your own bank, and then purchase land for you in the path of growth 20 to 40% below the market value. And the goal is to get your money working for you. You become the bank instead of ever having to depend on one again. Could you imagine becoming your own bank? Having a bank and the name on the bank says Derrick Casey's bank, says JoJo's bank, and you get a chance to borrow money from yourself? Woo! Come on, man. This is so, man, I'm telling y'all, I know it's lunchtime. It may be a little early for y'all, but I get fired up when I talk about this. But I really wanted to come on here and share that with y'all because before you go out here looking for a quick fix and spending all of this money trying to fix only one area of your financial situation, why don't you just take a look into this information? Like I said, we're not here to beg you. We're not here to plead with you. We just say, hey, we know people struggling. We've seen multiple people lose out on money just trying to fix credit alone. I mean, nobody have time to be losing money. And then what I love most about this, guys, is that when you partner with us, they guarantee your success or your money back. And they tell you that if our experts in strategies or opportunity are unable to save or make you more money within the first 30 days, guys, guess what? You get your money back. You get a full refund. So you absolutely have nothing to lose and everything to gain just by getting started. Just by getting started. But before you get started, we want you to just come see it for yourself. Come see it for yourself. You ain't got to believe me. All you got to do is get on one of our Zoom calls in the comfort of your own home. Tune in, listen, take a few notes, get back with the person that invited you to the Zoom call, and then get your questions answered. And after that, you either on one side of the lake or the other. You on this side of the lake to say, nope, I'm good. I don't want to spend no money on that. Cool. You on this side of the lake that says, I'm ready to get started. Okay. So I just want to put that out there to you. Bring that type of value because, man, I'm just tired of seeing people lose, man. I'm tired of seeing people lose money. I'm tired of seeing people still hitting these walls. I'm tired of seeing people struggling, man. And I'm doing everything in my power to bring this information, whether you like to hear it or not. These are the facts. The results are there. You don't believe me? Let me show you something real quick. Y'all think it's a game. Y'all think I be on here just talking. I'm gonna show you what they did for me. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you. Hold up. Let me pull this up. Cause I'm transparent. I'm gonna pull this up on y'all real quick. Y'all think it's a game. Hold up. Let me go on up. Let me go on up in here and let me get the right one. My bad. I shared the wrong page. Got me so excited. I'm over here clicking the wrong stuff. I'm clicking the wrong stuff. I'm that damn excited. Hold up. Let me see where we at. Bam, there we go. That's what I wanted right there. All right. So y'all see this is my email. This is my password. I can't show y'all that. But let me show y'all what happened about the end of July for me. Cause I've been using this. I'm gonna show y'all. All right. So y'all see my credit scores here. Look, they went up a couple more points. This one had dropped a little bit because some stuff had been falling off. So temporarily it'll drop and it'll start to come back up as you can see. But I want to show y'all something. Check this out. On my TransUnion, I want to show y'all where I was at. So y'all see these dates right here, right? Let me pull this over because like I said, I'm one of the most transparent people. I have no problem sharing this with y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna show y'all where I was at. July 8th, my credit score was at a 525. 525. Okay. Check this out. Remember, that's July 8th. Y'all see the date. July 14th. It went from a 525 to a 622. To a 622. That was in 6 days. 6 days after that, it went from a 622 to a 656. And then just today, it jumped up another 2 points. So just from this stretch of time right here, guys, that's a 131 point increase by me using the services. And guess what? I didn't do none of the work. My expert's been working on my behalf the whole time. All right. So I wanted to show y'all that because, a lot of times people just think, we be over here talking. That's my own personal results. My own personal results. And this is the reason why I get so excited because when people are like, I don't know if that works or, whatever the case may be, at the end of the day, guys, documentation beats conversation any day of the week. So I don't even argue with people no more. When they be like, oh, I can go do this and all that. I'm like, you sure can. You sure can. Right? go right ahead. Because I know what this done. We just had a testimonial Zoom call just last night. And the stories that I heard, different walks of life, different people that have been impacted by this very opportunity. So good that we had a 7-figure earner that was about to retire. He didn't have to jump in this opportunity. He didn't have to do nothing because he saw what this opportunity was doing for people. He saw the opportunity. He came out of retirement to be part of this opportunity so he could help more people during this pandemic. That says a lot. For somebody to come out of retirement that's pretty much set for life because he see the vision, that tells you a lot right there. I don't even need to say no more after that. So with that being said, guys, I just want to come on here and I just want to talk with you guys and let you guys know, man, stop just focusing on one area of your financial situation. Stop doing that. When you can spend less money to fix all areas of your financial situation with a team of experts that do all the work, not some of the work, and then you got to do some, whatever the case, they do all the work. All you got to do is upload the information that they need so they can get started on your behalf. Okay. And your spouse is included. So there's nothing else that you need to be worried about. You can work your job. You can focus on the kids getting ready back for school. You can do things that you want, knowing that you got a team of experts that are backing you and working and fighting on your behalf. Because now it's time for you to start thinking like the wealthy. Because there's no wealthy people that don't have a team of experts around them taking care of their financial situation when need be. Okay, guys? So I wanted to share that. I hope that made sense. Share this video because if you share this video, for whoever shared this video, get back with them people. Get back with them. Have them invite you to the Zoom call. Don't just go off of a word. 80% of what we do is visual. You know what we do? I'm doing this video not to tell you to sign up right now. I'm doing this video to tell you, hey, I invite you to see it for yourself. Hear it for yourself. Okay? I'm giving you that information. So it's time, guys. Time to stop playing with your financial situation. This pandemic is here, but I can guarantee you this, not everybody is losing during this pandemic. And we can show you the way. All right. So that being said, guys, thank you so much for the people that came in and tuned in with me live. I know I didn't plan this call or whatever. I just hopped on here because I was fired up. For my people that's gonna hop on the replay, hashtag replay, show some love. Let me know what's going on. If you gain value from this, share this video with somebody you love. Even if it's not for you, don't be selfish. Share it with somebody else. All right. And if you guys got any questions ever, you can hit me up on Facebook or right here above. Oh, wrong hand. Bam, right here above is my phone number. There it is. Shoot me a text. Now, I work during the day. If I can't get to you right away, be patient. I'll get back to you. Okay. But if you got any questions, all you got to do is hit this, shoot me a message, and I'm right there with you. All right. So, with that being said, I look forward to talking to you soon. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'm about to eat some lunch so I can get back to work. Love y'all. God bless. And we'll talk to you soon. Peace.